Hello everybody, Marcos Cabrera here. I'm going to continue talking about the arpeggios I didn't talk in the last lesson, that are the minor 7 and the minor 7 flat 5 arpeggios. Let's get started. The minor 7 arpeggios, starting with C. C minor 7 is going to be C, E flat, G, and B flat. Remember to play it all around your harmonica in all three octaves. Then G minor 7 is going to be G, B flat, D, and F. Then D minor 7 is going to be D, F, A, C. A minor 7 is going to be A, C, E, G. E minor 7 is going to be E, G, B, D. B minor 7 is going to be B, D, F sharp, and A. F sharp minor 7 is going to be F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. C sharp minor 7 is going to be C sharp, E, G sharp, and B. Then G sharp minor 7 or A flat minor 7 is going to be, if we think of A flat, C flat, E flat, and G flat. So then E flat minor 7 is going to be E flat, G flat, B flat, and D flat. Then B flat minor 7 is going to be B flat, D flat, F, and A flat. And finally, for the last main minor arpeggio possibility, we have F, which is going to be F, A flat, C, and E flat. Now, before explaining you which are the notes from each of your minor 7 flat 5 arpeggios, I would like to explain you the logic of it. And you just have to simply take the minor 7 arpeggio and lower the fifth a half octave. So C minor 7, which is actually C, E flat, G, B flat, Then we take the fifth, which is G, and lower this fifth a half step. And we will get, for the notes of our C minor 7 flat 5 arpeggio, C, E flat, G flat, and B flat. The same logic is going to work for the other chords, and let's analyze each one of them. So G minor 7 flat 5 is going to be G, B flat, D flat, and F. So now for our D minor 7 flat 5, we have D, F, A flat, and C. Now for our A minor 7 flat 5, we have A, C, E flat, and G. For our E minor 7 flat 5, we have E, G, B flat, and D. Now for our B minor 7 flat 5, we have B, D, F, A. F sharp minor 7 flat 5 is going to be F sharp, A, C, and E. C sharp minor 7 flat 5 is going to be C sharp, E, G, and B. G sharp minor 7 flat 5 is going to be G sharp, B, D, and F sharp. D sharp minor 7 flat 5 is going to be D sharp, F sharp, A, and C sharp. Now B flat minor 7 flat 5 is going to be B flat, D flat, F flat, which is the same as E natural, and A flat. So and finally our F minor 7 flat 5 is going to be F, A flat, C flat, and E flat. C flat is the same as B natural, but for intervallic, let's say grammatical issues, we have to call it C flat because it's a fifth. So